Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my series, Plants in My Balcony. We are growing one vegetable which is very common, that is Karela. It is Momordica charentia, which is also known as bitter melon, bitter apple, bitter gourd, bitter squash, and also Walsman pear. Now, this is a tropical and subtropical vine climber of family Cucurbitaceae, grown in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. You must have seen this vegetable, a lot of these vegetables in summer in India because it has a lot of benefits. It helps in maintaining blood sugar level, the most important, lowers bad cholesterol levels in human body. It gives glowing skin and lustrous hair, cleanses liver, help in weight loss. Yes, help in weight loss. Boost immune system, and it is great for eyes. So it should be eaten, it should be added into your diet because it's a wonderful vegetable. Now in today's video I'm showing you how we can grow bitter gourd from the fruits that we are getting. And this is basically the vegetable fruit I'm talking about. So how to grow it? Take the vegetable that we have got from the market, cut it into halves. I have cut it into half, and just take out all the seeds from it. The riper the Karela, the better would be, the seeds that we get for germination. So, and what you have to do, you have to just take with the pulp. I'm not separating the pulp from the seeds. What we have to do, we have to put this, I am putting in a small planter so that they germinate, and then I'm going to repot it into a bigger pot. And I'll show you, I have already Karela on my terrace with fruits coming up, so I'll show you how it has grown so well. Now this Karela seeds I've put in a small container. It usually takes long time to germinate, for about 10 to 15 days. The temperature required will be 25 to 38, which is just optimum right now. So it's very, very good if we grow Karela at this time because it has optimum temperature to grow during this season. The soil pH required is ranging between 5.5 to 6.7, so it's almost neutral range, a little acidic. It requires 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Keep it at any place in your balcony or your terrace, wherever the sun is coming, for about 6 to 8 hours. I have just directly sowed the seeds, and it will take about 60 to 80 days for the fruits, for the harvest that you can do from this plant. These plants are rarely infested by pests and aphids, but the fruits can be eaten by some insects if the soil is unhygienic. So it's always advised to spray organic pesticides of neem oil, or you can wrap the tiny fruits in the newspaper. So have a look at the vine that I have the seeds have germinated almost 2 months back, and it has grown quite well because it's a climber, so it needed a support which is being provided by the threads to climb up a pole at my terrace. And the best thing, the happiest thing that you see when you grow your plants are when it bears fruit. And I'll show you the two Karelas, the small Karela which is coming now, and these are so precious for any plant lover when you see that whatever hard work you have done is now giving you results and fruits. So this is a small plant which can be grown vertically. So what are you waiting for? Just get the Karela seeds and start planting. Thank you so much. And one more thing, if you see in this pot, it is a plant called as Costus igneus, and this plant is also believed to be an insulin plant. You can see my video on it. And thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and pour in your suggestions. Thank you so much.